Hey dolls, good afternoon, because it's clearly not morning. I have on my waist shaper and I am about to go to the gym and work out. I don't know what to call it. I'm not even gonna call it a diet. My weight loss thing. So I'm about to go to the gym and get some cardio in. And that's what I'm about to do. So y'all, I am so happy that it's hot now. I'm so over the cold weather. It's so damn cold in Georgia. And I don't think I could ever get used to this cold ass weather here. But it's hot. I'm sweating. I love to sweat, guys. I'm about to go sweat now in this damn gym where I need to be sweating at. I'm trying to lose about 25 pounds. So, gosh, I just got this waist shaper. Y'all know I was selling waist shapers, and I'm gonna start back selling waist shapers, but this shaper is tight. Oh my God. That's how I need it. This is a size 34. And I want to try to get my waist down to like maybe a 31. 30, 31. So, I don't know, guys. Y'all gonna have to wish me luck on my weight loss journey. I'm about to do a good little 30-minute jog. I'm not power walking or walking today. I'm basically for to get my ass in here and burn some calories so I could go home and fold my clothes and do other shit that I need to do. So I guess I'll get my ass on the elliptical or the treadmill. Let me see which one is available. Okay, so the treadmill is available. So that's what I will be doing. Hey y'all, I just finished working out. A quick little cardio session, nothing major. Just trying to get back into the groove of things. And of course I went in the sauna. That's my favorite place to be, so I could sweat out some toxins. Now I'm about to go home and relax, take a shower of course, relax, and probably make me a protein shake and make me something to eat. And most likely I'll probably be eating some vegetables because I brought a lot of vegetables yesterday from the store. And basically, yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, guys, I'm so proud of myself. I really did not feel like working out, but I'm glad I got my behind up and I went to the gym. I don't know if this sun is really shining. God, shining, 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 shining. Guys, I did a lot of sweating while I was working out. I'm so happy I wore this damn shaper. It helped me sweat a lot. Can y'all see? I'm about to take it off. Why are you talking on my video?